Welcome to Cpen Network, ladies and gentlemen. So yesterday was the 30th of July, and as you already know, as I have already mentioned, the ink token mining has come to an end, and today being the 31st, we have a new token talking about HATN, Human Attention. So that's what you're mining now, and if you have not started already, even if you do not have a Cpen account, you can still register and start mining. So it just showed up here, so I click on my HATN there. So it says I received 5 HATN token. Congratulations. Awesome. So I'm mining ready. So just like we did for Cpen and ink, you come here after some time. All right, looks like there is a difference. I'm seeing this countdown here showing 59 minutes. So it means the next one I'll come back to claim. Is it like an early claim? That right here is going to be a problem. So what's good? Let's check out their official Twitter page to see what's happening. And 1 hour ago, they talked about transition is complete. HTN mining is now live. Ink mining successfully ended on July 30th, 2026, and the CPN app has now automatically switched to HATN, Human Attention Token. It is the implementation of the Attention Token Economic Model, ATEM, introduced in our research paper From Labor to Attention. How HATN mining works: users can make up to 4 claims per day. Wow. So 24 divided by 4, that'll be 6 hours. So that means we'll be entering a mining session after every 6 hours. Users can make up to 4 claims per UTC day. Claim 1 basic 1.0, claim 2 1.1 times, 1.3 multiplier, claim 5 1.5. Alright, the basic claim is 5 HTN. Each additional claim rewards greater participation and attention. Referral rewards equal 10% of manual claimed HATN. Vacation day, credits, bonds, and other rewards are not included in the referral calculation. So update your app. Is your app up to date? Else go check it out on Play Store and hit the update button. So mine is up to date. If yours is not, you see an update button here. So every other thing you need to know about the HATN token, that's the attention token, you can find it on their official Twitter page as they will continue to update you. So what happens next for ink? Although ink mining has ended, the ink distribution process is only beginning. A 2-week grace period will allow users to complete their KYC and liveness verification. After the grace period, ink token verification will begin. Once verification is completed, ink will be distributed in phases. This we already know, right? Please complete your KYC and liveness verification. So if you have not done your KYC, you still have the opportunity to do that now before it's late. So back here, you still have other tasks like the quests, that you can complete. You can complete all of these quests and earn more HATN tokens for yourself. Now you know the place of your ink token. Now HATN is what's happening. Is the token of the moment. So take this opportunity and mine while you can. You're starting early. You can amass as much as possible. You can invite friends. You can set alarms so that you can come after every 6 hours and mine, and you don't get to miss a damn thing. So that's the updates on Cpen Network, right? No financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so you're able to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Bye bye.